So in Oracle, we all know that's a ERP, Enterprise Resource ERP, which is stand for Enterprise Resource Planning. So in Oracle, it's a ERP, and it's enterprise and ERP relationships. So basically, what is ERP? Resource planning, enterprise resource planning, where we do the hire the resources, we'll do the day-to-day transactions in our business, and everything in inflows and outflows recorded into the ERP. So this is the normal flow of ERP, and then ERP and ERP relationships, like enterprise having the multiple relationships. Like we have different modules in the ERP, in Oracle ERP, which is finance, which is our core area. Other than finance, human resource, project management, sales and distribution, SCM. Like that, there are many more product of the Oracle. So now in this demo class, what we're going to cover, for the first, we will cover the ERP financial transaction flow, that all the how all modules are involved and integrated to each other one. Like in this, we will see the in the Oracle Finance, there are five modules mainly, which is general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash management, and fixed asset. So how these five modules will flow, that I will show now. So you can see ERP financial transaction flow. So basically there are many more module, which is first one is a procurement, not in the finance but overall Oracle view. Like from procurement, what we'll do purchasing. If you want to purchase a asset, if you want to purchase some tools from the supplier, some raw material from the supplier, that will be done through procurement. Then that will be flow through accounts payable. This is our module. This will flow through account payable. Then here in accounts payable, what we'll do, purchase invoice and payments. From here we'll do the purchase invoices and we'll do the payment from this module in accounts payable. Then from the accounts payable perspective, then here is order management. It will be interlinked with each other, integrated with each other. So this is how. Okay, from order management, we'll look for the sales. Whatever our organization will do the sales, and that will flow into the accounts receivable. In accounts receivable, what what will be covered? Sales invoice and receipts. So first procurement will purchasing, from here will sales, that will be reflected to the accounts payable, accounts receivable. Then there are fixed asset modules, fixed asset. In fixed asset will asset management system will be there. Whatever the machineries, furniture are required. Then after asset management, there is a cash management. In the cash management module, we'll see the bank, we'll manage the bank and bank account. And we'll do the reconciliation as well in the cash module usually. So after that, that four module will be integrated with the sub ledger. Sub ledger accounting. And here we'll create the journal. Journals. And after that, that journal will be reflected to the journal ledger, which is our main core module. This is how that transaction flows in the ERPs. Here is our main ledger. Whatever transaction you will do here, that will all going to be reflected into the this main ledger, general ledger, and then that will be reflecting into the trial balance. This is the bigger picture of transaction flow, so you will be able to connect during the training. Then after the trial balance, from trial balance there will be the final output of our flows. Will be here we'll get our profit and loss statement. And here we'll get balance sheet. from the trial balance, profit and loss statement and balance sheet. This is how ERP transaction flows into the Oracle ERP. I think it's a clear to everybody. This is the big picture of our flows. Here we'll do all purchasing. Here we'll do sales. In any organization, there is a purchasing and salesing. This two module will take care of that. Then after that, that day-to-day transactions of the business will be recorded into accounts payable related to purchasing and payments. And then at the time of for the sales, there will be receivable. Here we'll record the sales invoices and the receipts, whatever will be receiving. And the fixed asset will manage the assets which is required in the business and their depreciation and new assets, then the retirements as well, all will be covered in the fixed asset. And in cash management, will manage bank account and as well reconcile all these transactions which payments are done through the banks. Then that will be reflected to the sub ledger, that whatever transactions is done here we can see here, create the journal, and we can see here as well in the manage journal. From the manage journal in our main ledger, all will be reflecting here. Then that will be give our final output, which is trial balance. From trial balance will be profit and statement and balance sheet, that will be shared for shareholder. For the company's overview or a picture of the uh, bigger picture of the company, what is the position of company, that will be useful for the investor too. So okay, so this is the main transaction flow. Then now we'll see the user creation. So for handling this module, we have to create one user. So for that, Suresh sir will give you the instance like this. I'll share into the group. So from this instance, you can create your own instance, like not own instance, you can create user account. Let me show you. Now for this instance ID, this instance will be provided to you. How you will create the user account. After login, go to the home tab. This is called instance or environment, whatever you can call it. So here we will see these are the functional areas, and in this functional areas there are sub functional areas are there. So this will be used for our day-to-day transaction. All this is Oracle ERP instance, Fusion instance. There is a two types of mode. One is a EBS and Fusion. This is the Fusion one, is the latest one. ERP was the old one, and that was the premises based. And this instance is the cloud basis. So in these functional areas, we can see our sub-functional areas as well. For that, for appearing or popping up this sub-functional areas, we have to give the security roles to each module or to the user to access it. So now let me show you how we can create the user ID. So go into the
Natik,
navigation,
Natik, just a small query.
go to navigation, then go to tools.
Hello, am I audible?
So in tools,
Hello, hello.
click on the security console here. From here we can create a new user. Here you can see roles, users. So roles, whatever role you will put, his job roles, duties. This is called RBAC, role based access control. In user creation we will see RBAC, means role based access control. That roles will give you the specific access to control the system, to control the ERP. So let me show you. Suppose I'm uh, giving here general ledger role, general accountant role. So after click on this role, Then you will see what all are the access this role will provide us. So these are the role names, roles code, and inherited by the role name and role code. So this will be going to be access from giving this role. We will going to access for the sub ledger
Yeah, Deepak,
accounting
I
report,
think
general ledger accounting report. We
he has
can
some
run the
doubts.
payable to GL trial balance.
Azhar, you can
Or
unmute and talk.
reconciliation, run general ledger, GL trial balance, like that. These all are we can do
Am I
if we
audible?
have given this role. So like that, there are multiple roles
Hello.
for the multiple
Yeah, we can hear you,
modules.
Azhar. Mute button.
So
Okay.
let me show you.
Karthik, just a
So
minute.
here, go on to
Mute
the
button.
user and create the user. So this is the user. From here, we will create our new
Okay,
user
I'll
ID
ask the question at the last.
for the purpose of business.
Deepak, please
Okay,
hold
so
on.
here you can see add
Hello.
user account. Click on the add user account.
Hello,
Then
Deepak.
that will
Can
be
you hear
pop
me?
up
Hello.
here. So from here,
Hi,
we'll
Deepak.
add your new user account, associated person information, worker or none. Just keeping none for the time being. And here we can lock or active the account as well. User category default. So here you have to fill the information, give the user information. So last name I'm giving suppose BPI. BPI means BuddyPower into Tech, our company name. So here it will auto populate, and this is the star means it's a mandatory. Without it, we cannot go ahead. Okay. So then here you have to give the password. Here you have to give the password. Any password you want to wish. Confirm password. So this is the number. This information is fed. Now the main thing in this at the time of security user creation, here we have to give the rules. Here, click on the add roles. So here we can give the role. Now for the each module there are different roles given for all, and for every module there are two common roles which will give us the access to user creation and all the functional areas, required functional areas. So which are they? Which is application, implementation, consultant, and IT security. So these are the common roles which we have to give to each module, so we can access the new user account. And there are many use of this two main roles. And for the general ledger, we have to give the roles. Five roles we have to give. Five or four, three mainly. In the GL there are general, accountant, then it will give us the access to create a journal. So general accountant and general accounting manager, then revenue financial analyst. So each of the module roles require I'm being explained. Just a minute. Okay, so we'll continue. Okay, so finance analyst. So these are the three roles. Now, let me know your doubts. If you have any doubt till yet, please.
Nothing
Hello,
from my side. Nothing from my side. Yeah. Thank you.
am I audible to you?
Yeah, Azhar, you had some doubt, right? Initially, for
Actually, initially I had that doubt with this
I'm
red
not
hood.
able to hear you, Mohammed.
I'm able to hear Deepak. Check your volume settings. Yeah, tell me, Azhar.
No, initially I had this doubt with nowadays this red hood is getting popular. So just wanna ask. I just saw that in the instance, no? Like red hood. So I was about to
Okay,
ask
okay.
you.
This is from instance, but
Okay.
theoretically, if you practice
Hello.
very normal.
Shall I
Okay, continue.
continue, or do you
Please,
have any
please.
doubt? Please let me
You
know,
can continue, Deepak.
Mohammed.
No, continue.
Please text if you are not audible. Please text what doubt you have. I will answer here.
Sure. Sure.
Till yet, do you have any doubt? Okay. So I hope is this clear to everybody till yet? Okay. So let's continue the session. So these are the three roles, and these are the two one. So these are the five are mandatory for giving the GL secure GL module. So now how we're going to add the role? Just search for the role. Oh, server is failed. Search for the role. Connection to server has failed. Let me just refresh it. Suresh sir, are you able to see? This server is gone into the maintenance.
I can see.
Suresh sir,
Yeah, man, I can see. Take theory.
I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. Our instance is gone into the maintenance, and it will take some time to. So we'll continue with the other part. So role adding, I will show you later part. Okay. So here for the GL, we have to give the roles for the user created. User created. Now we have created a BPI user. So for that, we will give the all the five roles. Then it will give us the access to create a journal and a post into the ledger, and like that it will. Okay. So then in GL, we'll see what is the journal ledger basically. It is a central repository where we can maintain organization details, generate reports, and defining a major control feature. As I told you, this is our main central repository. So this is all will handle by the GL. So maintain organization's detail, generating reports, and define major control. So in a GL, what are the integration of the GLs? So for integration, you can see GL is integrated with the Fusion receivables, payable, inventory, assets, procurement, projects, cash and expenses. So this is GL is integrated with all these modules. So it will be all will be integratedly reflect in GL. So now we'll see GL introduction. Basically, it's a main ledger and a major controlling module. Then what are the features in GL? So which we can choose which currency, which calendar, we can create our own, and what are the sub ledgers. So these are the sub ledgers, we can say, or see here you can as well see APAR, FACM. These are the sub ledger. This is the main ledger and this is the sub ledger we called in the Oracle functionality. So after GL integration, we'll see the currency for use in Oracle. We have to set up the currency in a GL. So you can see in the currency, basically each country have their own currency. Each country having their own currency, and there are two types of currency in this. Basically, first one is monetary currency, and non-monetary currency. First of all, it's a before currency. Let me tell you the 4C. So first concept we're going to take currency obviously, but it is included in the 4C. So what are the 4Cs? 4Cs are currency, calendar, chart of account, and convention, accounting convention method. So now one by one we'll see. First C is our currency. So I'm taking the currency now. So currency you can see there are two types, which is a one monetary currency, one is a non-monetary currency. So in the monetary currency, we usually record the day-to-day business transactions. Business transactions. Suppose our INR, USD, GBU, like that. And a non-monetary currency, or in a monetary currency, there are also two types. Okay. So in monetary currency has our two types. So one is a functional currency. First one is a functional currency, and second one is a foreign currency. So basically, there are two types of currency in the monetary currency. So functional currency means our Indian currency. Suppose we are in India, INR is our functional currency. And foreign currency means for us, USD is a foreign currency, USD currency in India. So this is the example, so you will be understand better. So this is functional currency, foreign currency. These are the two types in the monetary currency. So after that, non monetary currency. What are the non-monetary currency? So non-monetary currency includes stat currency. So the stat means statistic currency, which is used in a calculation to record the statistics or statistical information. For example, ratios, feeds, percentage, like that. So this is our first C. So this is our first C. Sorry. Now the second C is our calendar. Let me check the instance if it is working, so that I can show on the instance as well. So here it will enter. So the second C is our calendar. So as we can see, there are two types of calendar in Oracle functionality. Or just first one is the accounting calendar, and the another one is transaction calendar. So in accounting calendar, we use the accounting calendar used for the day-to-day business transaction. Now calendar means which is a period. For